What is going on, guys? So today I have a fun install. I got some whiteline sway bars for the STI. Yeah, so I got the 24mm front and rear sway bars, and then I've already got lower or aftermarket end links, so I do not need those. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out and get those things installed. So there is the front. That looks so good. Look at that powder coating. It's like all nice and sparkly. They're definitely pretty sturdy. Alright, there is the rear. And then this one is the three-way adjustable. So it's got the 3 slots there. So there they are. They look so good. And then the other goodie I got, holy crap, this weighs nothing. So I got the Cusco Type 1 brace. Super cool. Made in Japan. Now that I got everything out, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this little girl. I'll probably start with the rear. The rear is just definitely the easiest. All you have is these 2 bolts here. So you take those brackets off, undo the end links, and then boom, you're out. The sway bar end links usually kind of suck taking out. This little back lip here, it's kind of hard to see, has the size for a wrench to hook onto it. So this one, in my case, is a 14. So you kind of see it's kind of locked in there. So now I can get my wrench on it, and I should be able to break that off. And then got these bolts right here. It's just a 12mm, so just zip those off. Alright, so this is how I'm taking this one out. Just got this little wrench in here that fits right in there. These do go on a specific way, so don't forget that. And then same process for the front. The front's kind of difficult because you have this subframe here in their way, but same deal going on there. You got these 2 12s here they have to pull off. And then I also threw some WD-40 on them to help loosen them up. But I'm gonna try and do my best without taking the subframe out. So to get this out, we're just gonna push this link out in one side. So that side is now loose. It almost fell on me. All right, there we go. Sway bar 1 is out. There's a right and a wrong way to put this in, so make sure you put it in the right way. The side with the big notch goes to the left. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the end links there, and then I'll tighten these down after that. All right, so here's the rear installed. And then I got it in the center hole there, just to have equal balance in the front. But yeah, it looks super good. Sticker for an extra 5 horse. And for the front, I've almost got that one finished up. And then I did end up having to drop the subframe just a little bit. Had to drop that cover as well. It goes right here. It fit pretty good after that. So I just got these arms level with each other, straight up and down. So I'm gonna add these rings here to lock them in place. But yeah, so I'm gonna tighten all that back up. When you're throwing on these brackets, just make sure that you do not over tighten it, because these little aluminum pieces are super fragile. So just be really careful there. And then when you tighten it, make sure you tighten them equally so the tension's the same. And then the bracket's pretty like self-explanatory. Head goes up like that, so you can see it kind of follows the curve of the subframe, and it literally just bolts in just like that. It's all done. Front sway is in, brackets in, those are all bolted on, plates back on, subframe is all bolted back in, and little brace support is in. So I feel like just by adding those things, adding the coils, this thing is gonna feel insane. So overall, I'd have to say it's a fairly easy install as long as you have the right tools. Not gonna lie, it's kind of fun, and I'm really excited to see how it's gonna feel. But yeah, it turned out great. Definitely looks way better than factory, and I'm sure it'll improve the performance like none other. But this was the stock bar, and it's like tiny. So that compared to this, you know, it's a big difference. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If there's anything else you'd like me to add or do, drop them in the comments below. And that's about all I have for you. So deuces guys, later.